Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your volume and supercharge your sound quality using a free open source app called FxSound. We'll walk through downloading it, setting it up, and tweaking it to make your music, games, and movies sound crystal clear. Let's crank up the audio. First, let's get FxSound installed. Open your web browser like Chrome or Edge and type FxSound in the search bar. Hit enter. Look for the link that says FxSound.com. That's the official website for FxSound, which used to be called DFX Audio Enhancer. Left-click that link. On the homepage, find the Download for Windows button. Left-click it to start the download. Save the file to your Downloads folder or wherever you prefer. Once it's downloaded, left-click the FxSound setup.exe file to run it. The installer will pop up. Follow the prompts. Boom! FxSound is now ready to transform your audio. Now, let's dive into the FxSound interface. You'll see a clean window with two drop-down menus at the top. The first drop-down is for presets. By default, it's set to General, but you can choose options like Volume Boost for louder sound or Bass Boost for that deep, thumping low end. Left-click the drop-down and select Bass Boost to try it. Feel that rumble? You can also tweak the sliders manually for a custom equalizer setup. Slide the lower frequencies up for more bass, or the higher ones for clearer vocals. Play around, but don't overdo it. Too much tweaking can make things sound wonky. Next, let's pick your output device. Left-click the second drop-down menu at the top. Choose your physical speakers or headphones, like your laptop's built-in speakers or a USB headset. This tells FxSound where to send the enhanced audio. Now, let's make sure Windows is using FxSound correctly. Right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and select Sounds. In the Playback tab, make sure FxSound Speakers is set as the default device. This ensures all your audio runs through FxSound's magic. Want to save your custom settings? Left-click the three horizontal lines, the hamburger menu, select Save New Preset, type a name like Awesome Audio, then click Enter. You can also import bonus presets from the same menu if you want more options. Oh, and pro tip, if you're feeling generous, there's a donate option to support the developers since this app is free. Now, let's tweak some advanced settings. Click the hamburger menu again and select Settings. Here, you can enable keyboard shortcuts for quick tweaks. If you mess up your settings, click Reset Presets to Factory Default. To turn FxSound off without closing it, click the power button at the top. To fully exit, right-click the FxSound icon in the system tray and select Exit. Relaunch it anytime using the desktop shortcut created during installation. Here's a bonus tip. If FxSound isn't giving you the boost you want, try a quick troubleshoot. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Left-click the Start button, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your speakers or headphones and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically and follow the prompts. Also, ensure your media player's volume isn't too low. Crank it up in apps like VLC or Spotify for maximum effect. There you go! You've just leveled up your Windows 10 or 11 audio with FxSound. Your music's punchier, your games are immersive, and your movies sound like a theater. Test it out, play your favorite song, and let me know in the comments how it sounds, or if you hit any snags. Until next time, stay passionate about tech.